So guys, I want to show you that I made my first commission with this software. The name is Funnel Freedom. So check this out. So this is my affiliate dashboard. I have sent 15 referrals, 53 clicks, and I have right now $38 in unpaid earnings, and I'm going to show you the strategy that I'm using to promote this software. One of the cool things about promoting softwares is that we can have recurring commissions every single month if the people that buy from us stays in the system using that tool. So check this out. So this is the software that I have been promoting, Funnel Freedom. The creator of this software is Jonathan Montoya. And basically, one of the good things about the system is that it has a 7-figure done for you affiliate system inside of the software. So check this out. It has already here a funnel that I'm using to collect emails. It has the nurturing sequence. And one of the most powerful things are inside of this page, Funnel Freedom. Why? Because check this out. If I click on affiliate link settings, I'm promoting all of these products by just copy and pasting my affiliate links in these spaces. I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator. This is to promote Funnel Freedom, Secrets of Success, System.io, in video, Udemy, Get Response, and I'm promoting all of these products to Buddy as well by just copying and pasting my affiliate links inside of this page. And then I started to send traffic to this funnel. And I'm going to show it to you right now. So I'm going to click here to visit the page, and also I'm going to show you the lead magnet that I'm giving away for free. A lead magnet is something that you give in exchange for the email. So it could be a free ebook, a free PDF, a free training, a free course, a free software, but in this case it's a free course. So when people land on this page and read, hey, take the free course here, take instant access, so they have here more information. So this information is this is for people who want to say goodbye to the 9 to 5 job, how to create a monthly passive income machine from home. So, and we can do that by utilizing affiliate marketing strategies. And I have here my photo because I want people to know that I am promoting this training. So when people click here, I can collect the name, the email, and the phone number. And I'm collecting emails with that page. So once people put in their information inside of my page, my funnel, Funnel Freedom is going to send this free course, and it's going to send this free course through email. So check this out. This course has 7 parts. So they are going to read all this information, and when they scroll down, they can watch, for example, the course introduction, the part number 1. And this is the best side hustle online to quit your job. Then when they keep scrolling down, they will have these buttons, and when they click these buttons, they will be clicking my affiliate links. So check this out. If you watch here, that's my affiliate link for the 72-hour challenge. And that is how I'm promoting multiple affiliate products, because when, for example, they watch the part number 6, they will go here and they will learn 12,000 leads per month. And check this out. When they click here, report post.io, or get traffic from the Udemy, or check out Freedom Accelerator, or check out Freedom Accelerator here, they will be clicking my affiliate links. And this is a really powerful way to promote all of those products, because this is like an indirect selling. So we are not like selling directly to people. So we are giving away valuable information, and if they want more information, they can click the buttons and buy the softwares or more trainings. So this is the free course that is inside of Funnel Freedom. But more importantly, we have as well a nurturing sequence. So what is that? So these are emails that I didn't write. So these are ready to be sent to my email list. So I'm going to click on automation because I want to show you the nurturing sequence. So I'm inside of my workflow lists, and here I'm going to click on white label course. So I have right now 27 people enrolled on the welcome sequence. And we have inside of this system 6 days of 60 days nurturing sequence. And this is a really good help for beginners, because when we are starting out, we don't have like good copywriting skills. And talking about, for example, about my experience, it's important to have good copywriting skills to sell through email marketing, because if you don't have that skills, you are going to like suffer a lot, because you need to develop that. So by utilizing this software, we have here all the emails. For example, the welcome email, which is the course access. Then Funnel Freedom is going to wait for 1 day to send the message number 2, the 72-hour challenge. Then it's going to wait for another day to send the personal email backstory. This is the message number 3. Then it's going to wait for 2 days to send the message number 4, supporting offer number 1, the 72-hour challenge. And I'm utilizing this software and I'm making commissions in the back end by promoting all of those products. So check this out. The next one, these are 60 days of emails. Then we have another 60 days of emails, another 60 days of emails. So we have 6 nurturing sequence of 60 days. And this is a really good work if you want to create this system by yourself. As you can see, it takes time and effort to create this system. Now you can utilize this software, Funnel Freedom, or you can just get response and click funnels to build systems as well, the automated sales system. Now, I want to show you right now an example of a landing page that people will get access when they click the links inside of the emails. So for example, one email is to promote get response, another email, so people are going to find other emails, for example, to promote legendary marketer, repurpose data Joe. So, and I'm going to show you, for example, the landing page to promote legendary marketer. So people are going to receive an email about the legendary marketer program, and when they click the link inside of the email, they will get access to this landing page. And check this out. Here we are using the leverage of Jonathan Montoya's YouTube channel, because this is Jonathan Montoya's videos. But when people watch this video, and if they want to get access to the legendary marketer, and if they click here, get access to the 15-day challenge, they will be clicking my affiliate link. This is a really cool way to promote all of these products. So people inside of the nurturing sequence, they will find valuable information. Also, they will find my affiliate links for all of those products that I just showed it to you. And they will find as well Jonathan Montoya's videos, but below of the videos, those buttons, when people click those buttons, they will be clicking my affiliate links. That is how I'm promoting all of these products, and I'm utilizing this system. To build multiple income streams, because I'm promoting all of these products. Get the response, Udemy, Video, TubeBuddy. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. Talk to you soon, and God bless.